quiet. I'm gonna catch a wabbit.
Yeah, why not, Doc? Okay, Muttley, you slithering hound. Catch that pigeon now.
Oh dear, we gotta catch the pigeon.
We gotta catch the
Pigeon.
Oh, homie, homie, homie. You know I love you.
Oh, wait a minute. Marge. Don't bite, you little...
Eat my shorts, mere coos and teddy dude. Hey. I can't, it's all crusty like ham.
Thank you, Curlican.
Eebity. That's all, folks.
He's got them on their feet.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I normally cannot bear these type of acts. And when I heard the story about you being thrown off the club in Kent, and I'm thinking, you've got 3,000 people here, and I had a feeling if this went bad, this could bury you. And it was just incredible to see how much it meant to you when you got the reaction you got from the audience just there.
Thank you, Simon. Thank you.
Well, I just think after schlepping it around holiday camps for the past, I don't know, 25 years, that you haven't been found and that we have been able to find you.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
You are the best impressionist we've ever seen on Britain's Got Talent.
Thank you very much.
Okay, moment of truth. Here's yes or no.
Massive yes.
Thank you.
Amanda?
I think you're going to go a long way in this competition. It's definitely a yes from me.
Thank you very much, Amanda. Thank you.
It's 2 yeses. Come on, it's got to be 3. It's got to be 3.
Paul, you will be pleased to know you have got 3 gigantic yeses. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.